What's up, Blue Chips? One trade today on CNC. Let's get to it. All right, traders, real quick, just wanted to let you know on the live stream we're having a bunch of fun, lots of new additions because of the Stream Deck as well as a chat bot. So feel free to step in and check it out on Wednesday morning. But until then, here's the live stream. These spreads, man, they get me.
Ready? Let's spell my name together. B-L-I.
We're going to start CNC here. I like this. Just looking for, it looks like it's struggling this over 60. We're just looking for this quick drop under 60. Here we go. I see KRTX too. The RNA, I see it on the scanner, it doesn't really have that much volume. It's a big move though. Here's a nice drop here. All right, just a starter position. We're gonna take it. Nice quick trade there. KRTX. What's the float on this one? It halted. $40 stock halted. That's got to be a lower float. Yeah, 9 million. I'll be staying away from that. So decent trade there on CNC.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
That's what I was thinking when CNC came along. We got in, we got out. 41 cents in the matter of a minute, as you can see right here on the order screen. Just a beautiful trade. Right off the bell, got some volume, got the nice whole dollar pop. We got in short when it felt like it just did not want to go any higher. It actually did go a little bit higher. It got up to 60.37, and we pretty much hit the bottom of this candle, 59.50. We got 59.66. And it decided to climb up. It double topped and decided to go even lower towards the end of the day. But hey, 1 minute and we made 41 cents on our shares. So not going to complain about that. Nice little day for us. Considering, last week hasn't, last couple weeks actually haven't been that great. So that's all I got for you. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Wednesday, we'll be doing another live stream. Come check it out. We start at 9:20 in the morning, 10 minutes before the bell. Kind of go over the bear scam watch list as well as, just kind of pump ourselves up and get ready to go. And so, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.